Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to create a character in Super People. So, when we start the game, we are in the creator of character. So first choose, for example, I'll choose man and this one, then hairstyle, and next. Now we can put the clothes on. And I don't have anything more. So click next and enter your name. Oh, oops. Okay. Oh, okay. Now it is working. And select the plane for the first time, and you successfully created a character. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.